Hi, first grade. Today we're working on lesson 14-1, and we only have 2 chapters left. So that's really exciting. 2 more chapters, and then we're going to second grade math. So, chapter 14 is about shapes. So, we're going to talk a little bit about shapes and how we're going to talk about shapes. So, we're going to be focusing on 2D shapes. So, everyone, if you look at all these are all 2D shapes. 2D stands for two-dimensional shapes, okay? I'm just going to talk a little bit about the shapes first. So, shapes are made up of sides, as you can see. So, this is a square. A square has 4 sides, okay? It says 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, okay? And then we also define them by their vertices. So vertices are their corners. So a square has 4 corners or points. Does anyone see that? So a square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. It is also a closed shape. And by closed, I mean there's no way for someone to get inside it. It's closed, okay? Now let's look at the circle. A circle has no sides, okay? Do you think it has any vertices? Do you see any corners or points? No, so it has 0 vertices, okay? Now a triangle has 3 sides. Do you see that? 1, 2, 3. How many vertices do you think it has? It has 3 vertices. All right. Now let's look at our rectangle. So let's think, how many sides does it have? All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. How about vertices? How many vertices does it have? Let's count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. All right, and this shape is a hexagon. Okay, so let's look at the sides for this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a hexagon has 6 sides. And now we know how many vertices does it have. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so these are how we define our 2D shapes. Now, let's see what they want us to do on this page. Ooh, is it erasing? So, you are not going to be identifying the sides. Actually, you could identify the sides on this page and the vertices if you want, but what they mainly want you to do is they want you to find something at home. So you gotta look around your house and find something that is a square and draw the square here. So I'm looking around my house right now and I am looking for something square and I see a tie-dye box of chalk and it looks like this. It is a square and it says tie-dye on it. Then I'm gonna look around my house and see if there's anything that is a circle. A circle. Remember, these are 2D shapes. So you gotta look at the sides of things. So I see my bowl. The top of my bowl is a circle, and I'm gonna label it bowl. Okay, then I'm gonna look around my house and find something that's a triangle. Then do a rectangle, and then the hardest one is a hexagon. Ooh, that one's a challenge. So hopefully you guys can find something that is a hexagon. Okay. So in the front, I talked a lot about sides, and I talked a lot about vertices. Okay, so do you understand? I want you to look at this green triangle right here and tell me, how would you define it? Talk to me about the sides, how many sides it has. Talk to me about how many vertices it has. Okay, something I didn't talk about, I talked briefly about, is whether or not a shape is closed. So this shape is not closed because you can go in it. You see that? Can you go inside this? No, so it's closed. Can you go inside this? No, it's closed. So make sure you understand. So these are closed shapes and these are open shapes. All right, and this is not a triangle because a triangle is a closed shape. This is not a triangle. We don't know what this is. It's just an open shape. Okay? So for each of these exercises here. Answer these questions. So for number 1, it says how many straight sides? 4. So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it closed? You can write yes or no. All right, let's look at the next page. It's loading really slow. There we go. All right, so for this page, they want you to draw your own. So number 4, draw a closed shape with 3 vertices. So think about your shapes. Okay, same thing for number 5 and number 6. Number 7, you're going to circle all the closed shapes. Number 8 is a little bit challenging. They want you to look at the shapes in each group. Here's group 1 and here's group 2. Explain how it's sorted. What's the rule? So think about group 1. Okay, who is allowed to join group 1? What is the rule here? What shapes are allowed to come into this party? Okay, then think about group 2. What's the rule here? Who can go in here? So what is the rule for each of these groups? All right, and write that out. Use words like sides, vertices, and open or closed shape. So these are your important words for this lesson. All right, see you guys later. Bye.